everyone, it is Susie, and I have another Your Creative Studio box that I want to share. I just got this in the mail, and I haven't even opened it yet. Haven't even got it ready to open yet. Okay, so there we go. And what I wanted to tell you was I'm not sure which box this is. Amanda had sent me a message that they had some delays where she ships from over COVID. And they were backed up December and January. And so they were trying to work out a February box. So anyway, this, I believe, is the December box. So here is the card. Look how pretty. It's got a butterfly on it. I love that. And so let's just, and she's got a new thing here. It looks like her little printed, looks like we've got birds and butterflies. So let's see what we've got in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, this time I'm going to take the box away. Let's just take the box away. All right, so vintage labels. Let's see what we've got here. Now, if I can get it together, I will try to make something with my goodies here, or some of the goodies, if I can get a chance to do that over the next couple of days. And these are simply vintage, the little vintage labels. So, looks like several different, oh, I like these, several different ones here. Yes, I like those. Matter of fact, I was just looking some of those up the other day. This, I'm not sure what it is. Let's just open it and see. Kind of looks like, oh, butterfly stickers. Yes. Oh, which is going to work good. I've got a project in mind I'm going to try. So, yeah. There is that. So that will work great. All right. Lots of butterfly stickers. All right. So this is kind of cute. Not sure what this is. Fly to you. Oh, I'm not sure what that is, but it's cute. And the holder is really cute. You could use that. So that is fun. And this looks like it just folded down. Nice little holder there. We've got some sticky notes, which I'm not going to take these out because they will look just like this. So, awesome. Oh, these are transparent. Oh, these are cute. Oh my goodness. I like this. Okay, especially with spring coming up. This is pretty awesome. I'm not going to take them all out, but look how pretty. Now, these do not feel like stickers. The best I can tell, these are just transparencies. Look how beautiful those are. Awesome. Yes, that is an awesome package right there. And there, well, I better take some more out because there is all kinds in here. Let's take more out. Look at this. How pretty is that? This is a really nice box. There's this. Look how beautiful that is. Look at there. Oh, I love those. You know what I like to do with those is the paper dolls, putting the wings on the paper dolls. That is awesome. Okay. That is a good package. Love, love that. And spring is going to be here before we know it. We just had a huge, huge snow and ice storm. Oh my gosh. It was awful. As a matter of fact, if you had ordered anything from the shop last week, Wednesday and Thursday I couldn't even get out. I finally got out Friday to even make it to the post office to mail orders out. It was awful. And Friday still wasn't, just a gorgeous day, but I was able to get out. Look at that butterfly. That's pretty. That's a stamp. But at least I was able to get out. I think it took me, I probably left my car running about an hour and a half. The ice was about 1/4 inch thick or a little more. And then we had the snow on top of it. Oh, it was awful. Loft book collection. These are like your little papers. Oh, these will make good stained up background pages. Look at there. Awesome. And there's a bunch of them too. That is cool. I love it. Amanda just seems to do better and better with these boxes. I just love getting some of these things in here, because there's stuff that you could actually use. Okay, so I'm going to wait to open that one. I know you all are probably looking at that because I've been kind of staring at it there. But anyway, it took me about an hour and a half to finally even get the ice. Look at that. That is so cute. To finally get the ice where I had to kind of crack it because it was melted underneath the ice, but it wasn't coming through yet, and so I literally had to try to crack all that ice off the windshield while I could get it unstuck from underneath. It was crazy. So we had a good little storm, winter storm come through, and then hopefully we're just headed to spring. So here are some faux stamps, which I love. I love these. Oh, look. There's some dragonflies. And, of course, these are stickers. These are just going to be great for spring. Absolutely. Of course, your butterflies. There's some wings. I love those. Okay, and you could even use, looky there, you could use this part of the packaging. Okay, and then here is this package. Just this paper ephemera. This is just chocked full. Now, I don't think these are stickers, but these are a nice cardstock feel. These would make even great tabs or like little pockets, or not pockets, but what do you call that? I'm lost for words. Tuck spots. Looky there. These are really nice. These would work great. And this would make a nice little pocket there. You could put a little small tag in it. I'm going to show you the different ones here. Looky there. How cute. All butterflies. All butterflies. Awesome. Looky there. I'm just going to show you. There's several in each. There's like 3 or 4. Yeah, 3 or 4 of each. So cute. These are, like I said, these will make good tuck spots, or even little, that'd be a good pocket. That one's pretty big. How cute. Oh, I love those. Little tabs. Those will make great tabs. I'm going to be starting some spring journals anyway, so that will work out great. So let's look at this looks like some kind of handmade paper. It's got the little, I usually call it mulberry paper. I'm not sure what it's called here, but it's like, looky there. How awesome is that? Yeah. And there's like 5 or 6 sheets of this. 1, 2, 3, looks like 5, 4 or 5. Yeah, just all, isn't that nice? I've never made homemade paper. I have thought about it. It doesn't look that difficult to do, but I would have to get one of those little, or make one of those little strainer for the paper. But I've thought about it, but I just have never tried it, so. Okay, that's going to stick on me. That is really cute. I love that. Okay, and then the last thing Oh, there's some stickers there. It's kind of clung to it. Look how pretty that is. These look like they kind of intertwined each other. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, for some reason those have overstuck each other. But I think they come apart. I think they'll come apart. But anyway, looky there. Okay. Oops, that's already split. I'm just going to pull it out of the side. Now these are really pretty. They're just like, I mean, you could make them just journaling cards. Looky there. I'd probably back it with some coffee stain. And there looks like there's about, let's see, four sheets to a pattern here. So those are cute. Let's find the next one. There's that. How pretty is that? And then there's that. And then there's that one. Those are adorable. So anyway, guys, this is the box that I received today. And I will try to, in the next few days, as long as nothing comes up, it seems like every time I try or have something planned, something ends up coming up that prevents me from getting things done that I have planned. So, but these are just awesome. I love those transparent. I love the colors. Those are just pretty awesome. There's the sticky notes, just adorable, ready for spring. So anyway, guys, this is the box, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.